Okay, so you just signed up for BuilderAll and you logged into your back office and you said, oh my God, what did I do? My name's Greg Wilson. I'm going to show you how to build your first landing page or lead capture page in less than 5 minutes. It's real simple. Don't get overwhelmed. You don't even need to hook up a domain name yet. First thing you do is you come in over here and you click on Builders. And then you click on drag and drop perfect builder, pixel builder, and then you click new website. Come over here and click blank page and scroll down till you get a blank page. Click here and you click edit. Take a minute to load up. The first thing you want to do is you want to save it and name it. So we're just going to call this test 3 and save it. This is the header and this is the footer. I'm just going to drag this down here a little bit right now. I'm just going to do something very, very, very basic. We're going to add some text in here. You click this little plus sign and it says text. Click on that. We're going to add the extra large text. You click on it, it opens it up, and you right click and click for edit text. Highlight it, type in what you want. This is my new landing page. I'm going to center the text. And the nice thing about this Pixel Perfect is I can put it anywhere I want on this page. Just that simple. If I want to find the center of the page, just click on that. You'll see a little button there. Come up here and click on those little 3 hash marks and you'll get rulers. Come over here and click in the ruler and you'll drop a line down. Grab this line, bring it over here. Now you found the center of the page. You want to put that in the center? There you go. Okay. Now if you want to put a picture back here, that's not a problem. You come up here, hit the plus sign, come over here again, and you add image and click here. Now you can add your own image or you can pick one from our library. I'm going to pick one from the library real quick. Just right click, change image. It'll take a minute to load up because we're doing a screen share. Okay, image collection. And there's a whole bunch of them here. For business, let's just pick a business one real quick. Here, just grab that one. You see the little check mark there? Confirm. Boom. You can make it as big as you want. And you can center it. Now, if you want the text on top of it, it's real simple. Right click right here, set that back. And now you can see the text is on the front of it. If you want to make that text white, real simple again, just right click, click text, highlight it, color, white. I mean, it's really that easy. Where to go? Okay. So we're going to put that right there. Okay. Now drag this down a little bit. Now, how do we get people to contact you? Come over here, click on this button here, and then we're going to come down here to where it says contact. So click on that, and you'll give some options here. This one is real easy to use. Just click on it. And it'll bring it in, bring it down here. And it's real simple. You're just dragging and placing. Okay. Now, if you want to click in here and click configure. Now, most of you are going to be just wanting to get people to your MLM page. Okay. So just click on this side here where it says edit. Okay. I've got my MLM page over here with an opportunity video. I'm just going to grab that URL and copy it. And I'm going to come back to the editor, and I'm going to come here where it says action, and it says web address. So I'm going to click on web address, and I'm going to paste that in there. And that's all I have to do to make this work. Here I want it to go to my email address, so when somebody clicks the button, I want them to send me a direct email. And then here I'm just going to put in that they clicked my get more information button. And I'm going to confirm that. X out of that. I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to change the appearance of the button over here under edit. No, I'm sorry, under the settings. Button style, color, I want it red. Okay. And that's all for that. Come back here, click button, type in get more information. And hit confirm, and there it is. And if I come up here and hit save, now this page is done. I don't have to do anything more. I can do a lot more with it if I want to. I can make all kinds of colors. I can put a header and a footer, but you don't have to get overwhelmed. Let me show you how this works. Now I'm going to leave the editor and come back in over here, and I'm going to go back to the drag and drop pixel editor. I'm going to go to my site, click on my sites, and it'll bring it up, and we did test 3. Now you see it's black, so we have to come over here under more options, and we have to publish this. So you click on publish and click OK. It'll only take a second to do that, and then this will turn blue. Okay, now it's a live site. So if I click on that, it'll bring it up. There's my site. I'm going to put in my email address. I'll put in my first, put in a test name, and I'm going to click get more information. And boom, it redirects it to my page. Okay. Now, you want to look at my email. It came that fast. Here's the message center. I got an email from this person, and they clicked on my more information button. That's how easy it is to do. It's not difficult. You don't have to get overly complicated. You can do this very, very simple. And then you can do a whole lot more if you want to. I hope that helps.